with birds with special talents, you know, and others with charm and personalities that make them so lovable.
Just like parrots.
Oh, they grow on you.
But they do make some of the most challenging animals you would ever have in your home.
They can bite.
And scream.
And they poop everywhere.
Okay, so probably not the greatest roommates.
Very true. But some of these birds are so smart that they can mimic what they hear from the world around them. Just like
Groucho.
We have to show you this guy.
Hi, Groucho. Thanks so much for bringing Groucho out today, Erin. I appreciate it.
Groucho makes me laugh every time.
Hey, Groucho, let's face everybody. And how about this? Can you give him a great big hello? The neat thing about Groucho, he learned how to mimic by listening to the family he used to live with. But along the way, he became one of the best at it I have ever heard. So we're going to cross our fingers and see if he wants to show off some of his really cool skills today. All right, buddy. Oh. There we go. Thank you.
So wonderful, Groucho.
Yeah, so that's pretty impressive. That one song, that's an entire song from beginning to end. But this bird actually knows 7 different songs from beginning to end. So what do you say? Do you want to see if he'll try another song for us today? Yeah. Okay, but first, Groucho, they've been pretty special so far. I think we should do something special for them. What about a great big kiss? Yeah, that's some pretty good stuff, that kiss. It sure is. Okay, we said you can sing 7 different songs, and you sing Camp Town Races. You can choose any of your other 6. It's all up to you.
Scott, does he take requests?
Not very well.
Okay. He's more of a shuffle.
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay.
Let's see what you got.